ಟೊಮೆಟೊ ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ putting just tomato and potato. In the end we'll add cilantro. I just added 2 cups of water and I'll be measuring with this cup. I'm using this cup as a measurement. So 2 cup of water I've added, and potato is already boiled, it's cooked. So when water boils we can just add the creamer of wheat, like ಉಪ್ಪಿಟ್ಟನ್ನ ಅದು ರವೆನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇದಾಗಲೇ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಸೊ I'll be adding 1 cup of this one. I'm keeping this one ready. So when the water boils we can just add this one immediately. So it's already kept ready like this. So let it boil right now. We'll wait until that. Now I'll be adding the cilantros. Then I'll be adding the ready-made upma mixture. We have to add slowly and mix it also.
All of it is added, we're just mixing.
Be careful because this bubbles and splashes into the hand. ಕೈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಡಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
It's a little bit, it's very hot.
Yeah.
So
So be careful because the handle also, the spatula handle is too small.
if you have this kit, this spatula came with this kit.
So now this is done. I'll be turning off the, and we have to let sit for at least 2 to 5 minutes, then we can eat. So now the stove is off. Now this is ready. It will harden up if you let it stand for another 5-10 minutes. It will thicken up, so it becomes harder also. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಟ್ಟಿನೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆವಾಗ ತಿನ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ಇವಾಗಿನ್ನೂ ಬಿಸಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ